Hi everybody, my name is Steve and welcome to Oil Hacks, a show where we help you take ordinary essential oils and do extraordinary things with them. We've got 3 great hacks for you today, so let's jump in. One of the age-old issues with cutting onions is that it makes you cry. Well, here's the hack. Simply open a bottle of On Guard and place it right on the cutting board. And now, when I cut in to this onion, I'm not crying. Do you got stubborn grime in your microwave? Well, here's the hack. Simply take a microwave-safe bowl of water and add just a few drops of lemon oil. Then pop that right into the microwave and zap it for a good 5 minutes. The results? You're gonna be able to easily remove that grime. You got stinky shoes? Well, here's the hack. Simply take a clump of cotton balls and add just a few drops of Purify, and then put them in the shoe overnight. Oh, that's heavenly. Do you have an oil hack that you'd love to have featured on this show? Well, all you gotta do is post about it in the comments below. We'll see you next time.